Hey guys, so today I'm here to introduce you to our new product, LumiSpa, and how to use it. To begin, you have to choose your different head. It comes with a firm head with these straight line grooves on it, and a normal to sensitive head, which is a curl groove on it. So depending on your own skin type, you pick the head that's suitable for you. Normally, I would say for girls or people who have sensitive skin would use the curly normal head. For guys who have a thicker skin or they want more exfoliating, they would want to use the firm head with the straight grooves. It's very easy. Once you have the head, you just put it on. And it also comes with a cleanser. It has different skin types. So this one is normal and combination. There's one for pimples, there's one for oily skin, and there should be one for sensitive skin as well. Also comes with a charger, so it's easily charged. One charge can usually last you about 7 to 8 days, depending on your usage. When it goes out of battery, right here, it should show yellow, and you just have to plug it in and put it into the stand and it will start charging. Right now I'll show you how to do it within just 2 minutes of this face washing machine. So I went to just wet my face with tap water and I wet the machine head a little bit. So right now I'm using this normal to combination cleanser. Put a generous amount on. Usually I use the middle blue circle as a guide. Before you start, I would just rub it onto the face so you're spreading all the cleanser on a different part of your face. And usually I have this as one sector, this as one sector, this as one sector, and last the chin and neck area as one sector. Because every 30 seconds it'll tell you to change spots. So every 30 seconds there will be a light and the head will slowly change for a bit, and then it'll tell you to change spot. To start, very easy. Wet your face, wet this, put on the cleanser, wipe it, and then just press this once, and then it should start moving. So usually I start on the forehead, just up and down motion. And if you go too fast or if you use too much force, you can hear that it will stop by itself. So you'll know when you're moving too fast or you're using too much force, then it will stop as well. So you don't have to worry about which speed you want to go at. The machine pretty much tells you. So again, when there's the second light, that means you can change sector. So 30 seconds only. So right now I'm on my second 30 seconds, so I'll want to move to my cheek area. Usually I clean the nose because there's like a lot of blackheads. Again, don't go too fast or this will be telling you to stop. Go under the cheekbone, by your temples, by your ear. I always go too fast, so it'll tell me pretty much not to go too fast. So again, we're on our third cycle. So I want to move to my third section. Again, do the nose area, under the eye, under the cheekbone. When you do under the eye, don't go too close. Just slightly under your eye is fine. And you can see that if you go under the cheekbone, it actually massages your cheek. So that's what you want, because this massage will help produce the collagen in your skin. So we're on our last cycle now, the fourth cycle. So you want to do the chin area. Usually I do the neck as well. Just a little bit of the neck and the chin. That way you can clean the jaw line and behind your ears as well. It's really fast and it's really simple. Nothing tricky. You just have to remember what cycle you're on and just move from one spot to another. So we're all done now, all 4, and then now you can just go rinse off with normal water. If you're cleaning it, you just have to rinse it under the tap water. You can even take out the head and clean it. Rinse the head, rinse the whole machine. The whole machine is actually waterproof, so it can go underwater.